が名はYhwach。お前のすべてを奪うものだ。絶望してくれるなよ。The child could not see, could not hear, could not speak, could not even move. He had no means of surviving. But the child was not afraid. He did not cry because he could not use his throat. But even if he could, he probably wouldn't have. The child knew that even without any means of survival, he would survive. The people around him treated him like a treasure, because they realized that by touching him, parts they were missing would gradually be filled. Those with ailing lungs saw their lungs healed. The lonely had their hearts filled. The timid were filled with courage. Even those who lost their legs slowly regained them. What the child had was the power to impart his soul. His soul would be bestowed whenever he was touched. Wounds that could not be healed by their own soul would be healed. At the same time, while their wounds were healing, the knowledge they gained acquired talents that blossomed. All of it were ingrained in the pieces of the child's soul given to them. And all of that would return to the child when they died. Those who touched the child child did not live for long. A few years, a few months. Some would die after only a few days. Yet the people kept flocking to the child. Every time a piece of his soul returned, the child's unmoving arms and legs, and his eyes that could not see, would slowly heal. Eventually, as his unhearing ears were hearing, he realized that people were calling him by a strange name. He understood that this was the name of the god his people worshipped. But he chose nonetheless to take that name for his own.